Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and install a theme. Now remember, this particular website that I'm building and creating is a decentralized social profile, right? It's a social profile that doesn't really belong to any social network other than the internet itself, which I argue is the original social network. It is just that we have forgotten about it, and we don't take the initiative to build our own social profile on it. And this is one of the ways to do it. Now, I chose this theme because it kind of resembles a social profile. Now let's take a quick look at the theme that I chose. It's called Bliss. You can get this on themeforest.net. Type in here Bliss and find it. Now just a quick go over. This is kind of a news feed on your left hand that quickly summarizes all your posts, and people, if they choose to read one of your posts, they can click on continue reading, and they'll be redirected to your posts. So this one is, for example, a gallery post that you'll be able to use, put some words into it, bam. And then you see on the left hand side there's a widget field that you can have always be there. That field doesn't change from post to post, from article to article. It always stays there. So that's another way to kind of think of it as a decentralized social network, because instead of seeing ads from other places right on your left hand side on the Facebook, you can choose your own strategy behind using that right or left hand field or the widget area. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and install this theme. Log in into backend of your newly purchased website. Go to Themes, Appearance, Themes, and right here, Add New. Go ahead and upload the theme, choose File. Now when you purchase the theme, you'll be able to download this, and all you have to do is find the download folder, and in this case, and then choose bliss.zip. Open, install new. And we're going to immediately install a child theme, okay? This is just something that you got to do in order to preserve the settings in between updates. Okay. Do we have this theme here? Okay, activate. Now it gave me an error because actually this theme has previously been installed, and it gave me an error that it already exists. Now in your case, it's just gonna give you the go ahead. Now let's take a quick look at my website. See if so. As you see, it looks nothing like the example here, right? So what we can do is explore the theme. So we have theme options. This would be the where you can play around with the theme, and all of a sudden you see how many options this theme has. Advertising, you can actually have an advertisement appear. So for example, if my website is going to be mainly about marketing, I might want to choose to advertise related products and services on it. So this is the general idea. Okay, this doesn't take a long process, and once you start publishing your own content, because it lives on your website, lives on your hosting, you actually own it instead of another social network owning your content. And the more you participate on your own website, you're able to share your thoughts intelligently. Using the links, you can drive traffic to your thoughts instead of posting your thoughts just aimlessly on social networks as comments. And basically, it's just like a black hole, these comments that you type and trying to reach these people to change their perspective on things, or just even sharing your perspective on things. Those things get lost in social networks like Facebook and Twitter and other things. Engagement is great, but at some point we plateau, right? So I think this is a great way to archive and document your own journey, if not in a sort of business process, just in the process of life. So I think this is a very important tool in the modern society to create your own website and be able to communicate uh, with ease. And instead of repeating yourself, you can always allude to an article that you wrote, for example, right, or a video that you did. So that's the basic idea. Now go ahead and play around with it at the theme options tab. And then I'm going to go ahead and once I have the chance to, I'm going to go ahead and play around with it as well and screen capture it. And you guys can just follow along with me, or you can write me a question. All right, take care.